Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before you take this course: you should have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS, and also you should know your way around a computer. You should also have an understanding of JavaScript. Who should take this course? This course is designed for absolute beginner developers, beginner programmers, and anyone who's new to Angular 4. What will you learn on the course? Some of the things you will learn include the setup of the environment that you would use to develop Angular 4 applications. You learn how to set that up, which includes dependencies like Node.js and the Angular CLI tool, which is the command line interface. You learn how to set that up as well. You learn how to create a new project in Angular 4, how to create components, how to interact with the components, how to define external and inline templates. You learn how to use conditional statements with templates, that is if or else. You learn how to use interpolations, which basically means displaying data defined within the component or inside the template. You learn how to bind data. You also learn how to display assets such as images inside a template view. The course format is video, approximately 1.5 to 2 hours long. Thanks for watching.